Right now, we're seeing an unusual -0.60 sentiment score for software, coupled with a strong momentum drop of -0.71 over the past 24 hours. This isn't just a blip. It's a stark deviation from our historical baseline, indicating a significant shift in how developers are feeling about software trends. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, providing you with insights into the emotional tone of discussions around software, including the identification of 18 semantic clusters. This can be crucial when you're deciding where to allocate resources for your next project, or understanding community sentiment around a new software release. Imagine using this data to pivot your development strategy, or adjust your marketing efforts based on real-time feedback from the developer community. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.